विदुषी और सर्ज की स्टोरी तो सबको पता है, बट बैकग्राउंड में हमारे घर पे क्या चल रहा था वो हम आपको बताते हैं।
इश्क हुआ कैसे हुआ,
अच्छा हुआ जैसे हुआ,
इश्क हुआ कैसे हुआ,
अच्छा हुआ जैसे हुआ,
ना मैं जानू ना मैं जाने,
क्यों हो गए हम दीवाने,
ना मैं जानू ना मैं जाने,
क्यों हो गए हम दीवाने।
हमारे लव बर्ड्स को देख के सब अपने पुराने दिन याद कर रहे थे।
जागे जागे सोई ना मैं सारी रात तेरे लिए, भीगी भीगी पलकें मेरी उदास तेरे लिए, ओ जागे जागे सोई ना मैं सारी रात तेरे लिए, भीगी भीगी पलकें मेरी उदास तेरे लिए, अखियाँ बिछाई मैंने तेरे लिए, दुनिया बुलाई मैंने तेरे लिए,
जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, छोड़ दी खुदाई मैंने तेरे लिए, जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, छोड़ दी खुदाई। तेरे लिए तुम दीवाना के तेरे लिए, बना है मेरा मैं हूँ तेरे लिए, होना कभी तू जुदा।
विदुषी अपनी फैमिली के साथ उज्जैन आने वाली थी और हम सब भी उसी के लिए रेडी हो रहे थे। हेलो मम्मी, हमारी फ्लाइट 5 बजे लैंड करेगी, आपको सर्च आओगे ना हमें पिक करने?
देख बेटा, मैं तो आ रही हूँ और सर्च को तो तू भूल जा। कल ही वो प्रपोजल वाली रिंग लेकर आया है एंड ही इज फ्लाइंग टू दुबई।
क्या?
यस, फ्लाइंग टू दुबई टू प्रपोज विदुषी।
विदुषी, will you marry me?
yes.
अबे यार, ये सरस का 5 फीट का प्रपोजल हमें अगले 5 साल तक के लिए भारी पड़ेगा।
भाई टेंशन मत लो, नया नया प्यार है, थोड़े साल में देखना सोनी के नखरे कैसे लगते हैं।
ये फाइनली एक भाई को प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट देना आया और ये भाई लोग उसको भी बिगाड़ने चले हैं।
Vidushi, Nakrit, keep things interesting. Don't fall in this आज्ञाकारी trap.
चलो हम भी विदुषी को थोड़ा बिगाड़ते हैं।
चाहत बड़ी मेरी पूरी पड़ेगी, लगे नजरिया जब जब लड़ेगी, जी न सकोगे तो मर ना सकोगे,
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छलक छलक चुप चुप
Thank all their friends who have traveled long distances to make it here. One of them is Vidushi's friend, Devyangana. I'm going to introduce her by saying she is Seema Auntie from Indian Matchmaking. She actually played Cupid in bringing Saharsh and Vidushi together, and she's going to share how.
Wow, that's a lot of people here. Only took an 18-hour flight to get here for this special day. And I know a lot of you are wondering how they met. Let me break it. They met on their own at my birthday 2 years ago. And starting from the beginning, Saharsh was born 10 days before me in the same hospital. And Auntie there was also involved in giving me birth. So fair to say that we're quite closely tied involved. Our families have been friends for the last 25 years of our existence. And we have actually celebrated one too many birthdays together that we now have memories of. Our second birthday was celebrated together 4th birthday, and I have a lot of pictures of Harshi Didi, my sister Noni, Saharsh, who I used to call Bhayu, which he's quite annoyed by, and me as a big fat family back in Ujjain. And 15 years later, we've lost touch. I've moved to London, a completely different life altogether. Is where I meet Vidushi. We went to Warwick together. We were in the same dance team, which you're soon about to find out. And we were united by this Battle of Bollywood, which was quite literally where we spent our blood, sweat, and tears. 3 years later, we've had a great friendship. We've evolved. I've grown up quite literally with her. Most of my adulthood has been alongside Vidushi, being one of my best friends. And we started our professional journeys together in London. Life together was a lot of fun. Then comes this random serendipitous moment. One day I was scrolling through Facebook, and no matter how many times I say this out loud, it sounds very stupid, but I came across Harshi's post on Facebook. It had a picture of a family. I recognized uncle, I recognized auntie, I recognized her, and there's this one tall guy who I could not recognize. I thought, must be somebody. Happened to be this guy, Saharsh, and I have only recognized that his name is Saharsh because my dad sitting there named him many, many years ago. So I followed him on Instagram, and his bio said, Bloomberg, London. So I thought, okay, why not? Let's get in touch. I sent him a request and then forgot about it. A couple of days later, Saharsh has messaged saying, hey, are you in London? Let's catch up. We meet for a dinner in January, and why I say the months here is so that you know how quickly things became so important. February was when he asked me that, what are you doing next weekend? I said, nothing. He said, okay, I'm celebrating my birthday. Do you want to come? I said, sure. So I go visit his, apartment for the first time. 2 weeks later, I asked him, what are you doing? He said, nothing. I said, okay, I'm celebrating my birthday. Why don't you join? And that was the day when two of my very important worlds met. If I scroll back through the day, there is a picture of both of them standing in front of each other playing one of the cup games. So I think quite instinctively, the spark was there. And a couple of days later, they started talking. Saharsh and I were talking about who this girl is. Vidushi and I were talking about who this guy is. And I think they almost took it forward from there. I would love to take the credit for Seema Auntie, but I think they've done it themselves. The month of March was when they got together, and since then has been an incredible story of two of my most important girls coming together. So for all of you who have come from all parts of the world to celebrate these two families, the Goyals and the Rathis, congratulations for being part of this big, big day, and this wouldn't be the same without all of you here. So give them a round of applause, and super excited for both of you to start this incredible journey, and to many more dances in London together. Love you.
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा, क्या कहना उसका आफरी, दावत में जैसे वो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी ना कोई नाज़नीं, शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गिद्दा पा दे, चलेगा रंग जमा दे, हमके बने सभी मत वाले। मन कहे कि मैं आऊं चांदर तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में बिंदु तारे। हेलो हेलो, तू फोर्स पे जब आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती चाहिए। हेलो हेलो, तू मुझे तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई। रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रख मेरे पास आ तुम रातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में जिया बैठी ही बैठी मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रख मेरे पास आ तुम रातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तू जानू मानू जो कहता है बेबी तेरे हूँ लगता है सामे मोर सामे ऐसा में जो कहती हूँ मर्द मेरा तू लगता है सामे मोर सामे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलूं जैसे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलूं जैसे मंदिर की सीढ़ी पे चढ़ूं सामे तेरे बगल बैठूं ऐसे जैसे शिव के बगल थोड़ी मोर सामे वो डगर जमा तेरी नजर ले जाए रे प्रेम नगर सामे ऐसा में अरे सामे आजा सामे बलम सामे परम सामे सनम सामे अरे सामे आजा सामे बलम सामे परम सामे सनम सामे One of Vidushi's friends up, Eline, if you're around, if I can ask you to come up. Vidushi and Eline spent time growing up and then went their own different ways, but somehow found their way back to each other. And they still finish each other's sentences and each other's fries. So let's hear from Eline about Vidushi's childhood secrets.
Thank you so much, everyone, and good evening. Thank you for having me, both the Goyals and the Rati family. So as mentioned in the introduction, I've known Vidushi since we were in 3rd grade, so that's about 7 years old. And from the moment I met her in that classroom, we were instant friends. And within a couple of months, best friends. And that has not changed in the 20 years that I have known her. I don't know what it was that kind of initial best friend spark. Maybe it's because we were the only two semi-Asian, South Asian, half Asians in the classroom. Or maybe it's because her mom packed delicious lunch boxes, which I did love to steal at numerous times, but we became best friends. And over the past 20 years or so, we have created so many memories together, whether that was just hanging out at each other's homes, traveling the world together, or studying together. I also wanted to take this moment to thank Vidushi's family for always making me feel like I was one of their own over the past 20 years. To Smriti, thank you for looking after me like I was a 3rd daughter all those years. To Vijay, thank you for your kind words and wisdom over all these years. And to Vedika, who also felt like a sister to me, thank you for being a partner in crime and always annoying Vidushi together. Now, Vidushi and I have thousands of memories together, but I wanted to roll it back to some of our early days to begin with. Now, one of our first memories is that we like to tell Smriti we were having study sessions together. Now, Smriti would go around and tell the other parents, these girls are so great, they study so hard, chemistry, math, French, they spend hours together. Little did Smriti know, although I think she knows now, Vidushi and I use these study sessions to gossip and talk for hours about, the latest romances in school, the latest, drama within friend groups, and also because we grew up in Luxembourg, whose parents were arrested for money laundering. There were more than you would think in our school. But yeah, those memories I hold forever, and I think we kind of translated them into modern day study sessions, where Saharsh is very excited because he thinks I'm coming over to play board games with him and Vidushi, but really it's just Vidushi and I talking for 6 hours, and at midnight, when Saharsh goes, so are we playing Monopoly now? We go, oh no, now we're going to bed. But the legend continues, as we say. Now, another thing Vidushi and I love to do, other than talking, is traveling together. We have traveled quite literally all over the world, from Dubai to Budapest to The Hague in the Netherlands. And there are so many memories that go with these travels. But one I wanted to share, because I think it provides a lot of context as to why I call Vidushi Vishnu, as some of you might know, is that we were in Budapest for a Model Government Europe conference, and our geography teacher comes and knocks on the door because he has to take attendance to make sure we're all in our rooms. He opens the door and he says, ah yes, Aline is here. And then he asks me and he goes, is Vishnu here? And I said, I don't know, probably is, because Vishnu is everywhere. But if you're looking for Vidushi, she's in the bathroom right now. Needless to say, I think our geography teacher studied the Hindu gods a bit more than his students' names, but it meant well. And I have forever called Vidushi Vishnu since, in honor of our geography teacher. Now, for our final memory, I want to roll it to it must be about 6 months ago when Vidushi and I went to Turkey to celebrate her upcoming wedding. I don't know if something went wrong in the translation, but this was meant to be a friend group wedding. But I think the Turkish hotel interpreted it as Vidushi's honeymoon. So we get there and there's rose petals thrown everywhere, a swan towel, and I'm standing there and they go in and they go, where's your husband? They look at me and they go, she's a bit small for a husband. And we're like, no, this is a bachelorette, not a honeymoon. The next phase is that they booked a couples massage for us, where Vidushi and I once again had to say, no, friends, not getting married. So that was, another iconic moment where there's always another adventure when Vidushi and I travel together. Now, Just to end on a final note, before I hand it back over to our wonderful dancers, I wanted to take a moment to say, Saharsh, I'm so happy that you found Vidushi and that Vidushi found you. I've only known you for a couple of years, but it already feels like I've known you for the 20 years that I've known Vidushi. And what I always appreciate is that Saharsh is my carnivore buddy, and whenever Vidushi makes his food, he always goes, chicken, Alina? And then we add the chicken on top. So I just wanted to take a moment. I don't have a class, but we can raise our imaginary glasses to toast to the wonderful bride and groom and to the families who are being brought together on this wonderful occasion. Thank you all.
of Hollywood to the heart of Bollywood. Let's hear from Marcel on some California stories.
All right, everybody. I'm just waiting for, okay, the bride is, oh, okay, cool. I was like, where's the bride, right? We need the bride. Oh, okay. Hi, bride. All right, everybody. Perfect. All right, everybody, good evening. So, my name is Marcel, for those of you who don't know me. If I do cry or get emotional, I promise it's just the Indian spices, so don't worry, all right? First of all, this is my first Indian wedding. I thought I was at the Ambani family wedding. I was like, oh my God. But here I am. I am very excited, and I am just like, wow. But anyways, I have known Vidushi since she was about this big. I think she's like this big now, so as you can imagine, it's a very, very long time. But I am in film, and I live in Los Angeles, so the way film works is we tell stories. So I'm gonna tell a story about how I know Vidushi, how I've met her, and how we come to this very moment. So I've known Vidushi, you know, we first met in the 4th grade, and as you can imagine, that's a very long time. And people always say the best gift in life is friendship, and without a certain fact, Vidushi has taught me that that is true. And sorry, you guys, you can imagine that there's a lot of special moments that come with that friendship. We did high school together, we did middle school, even elementary school. From 2 a.m. FaceTime calls to struggling in French together. I have known Vidushi from her wandering the hallways with the Kipling backpack to the purple headbands. We pretended we knew French when we really didn't. We would eat pizza together after school, and we would just spend very special and fun moments. I have even known her as she's embarked her journey all the way to Warwick, eventually moving to London, and so on. And then eventually we grew up together, and we went our separate ways, but we always stayed in close. And then a few years later, or a few years ago, Vidushi's on the phone with me, and then she suddenly goes, I met somebody. He's calm, he's loyal, and he makes me feel special. And I went, well, Vidushi, that's just called a Domino's pizza. And she goes, no, it's a guy. And I said, a guy? And so this new character got introduced into our life. And I said, well, tell me more. And before I knew it, it was Saharsh. And Saharsh came into our life, and he fit like a missing puzzle piece. Saharsh is calm, his energy is great, he is exciting, and he is warm and loving, and the smile that he puts on Vidushi's face fills my heart with so much joy. Seeing my best friend here tonight, looking more beautiful and radiant than ever, just fills my heart with such a warmth that I cannot truly describe. And I am so happy for the both of you, and seeing two families come together is just something beyond words. I truly cannot describe it. And trust me, Vidushi, trust me, Saharsh, if I could have gotten you a puppy, I would have. But the bride said no, and I have to listen to the bride until the 17th of November. So I am very, very sorry. So I hope you can enjoy the pots and pans that Alina and Evan got you. But tonight, I also want to thank Vidushi's family, because to me, they feel like an extension of my own. They have shown me such kindness and love and warmth, and they have shown me their country, and it's just so colorful and bright and energetic, very much like my friend here, and very much like my brother Saharsh, who I feel is very much an extension now of my own family as well. I had the opportunity to celebrate New Year's and welcome this beautiful year with Vidushi's family. We all shared our hopes for the year, and seeing those dreams come together, or come true, or in other words, wish come true, makes me feel just very, very warm inside. And what I want to end on was, at that dinner, Vijay went around and asked everybody, what is one thing you learned this year? And when it was his turn, he said, miracles do happen. And seeing the two of you here tonight, I can say that is for certain. So I love the two of you. I am so happy for both of you, and I cannot wait to see what the future has in store. So if we can give the crowd and the audience, and the couple most importantly, a huge round of applause. Congratulations, you guys. I love you a lot.
पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना तेरी मैं बलाएं दूं तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं तुझको मैं खुशियों के साए दूं ख्वाबों को सजाए तू आँखों में बसाए तू तुझको मैं सब जो चाहे तू सारी रात ये पहरा करे कि तू चांद तारों को चामरो चामरो इजा पारी चामरो 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 इजा पारी चामरो
मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है कौन है वो अनजानी मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है कौन है वो अनजानी वो है कोई कलिया कोई किरण या है कोई कहानी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसे मैं कह दूं थोड़ी गुमान सारा शहर आज हो गई आवे रब दी महल हाय सजे आए वे सारा शहर आज हो गई आवे रब दी अखियां चो डिगदे अंजू खुशियां तेरी बन जाना अज तू सजना अखियां चो डिगदे अंजू खुशियां तेरी बन जाना अज तू सजना खुशियां तेरे आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गावे खुशियां चढ़िया आज वेला वे सारे आने नचना सारे आने गावे
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਾਦਸ਼ਾਹ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ ਓਏ 1 2 3 4 ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਤੇ ਦਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਪਾਇਲ ਨੱਚਣਾ ऐसे छनके करते सबको घायल कह रहा तो गाता चल इश्क में जीना मरना Say shala shala, mafia say shala shala, mafia say shala shala, mafia say shala shala, yeah.
रूप मेरा सोना सोना सोनी मेरी पायल छनछना छन ऐसे छनके कर दे सबको घायल
कह रहा आंखों का काजल इश्क में जीना मरना
Everybody shala shala, mafia say shala shala, mafia say shala.